Here's a quick look at the market through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader for Monday, August the 24th, 2009. We always like to start with our market profiles, which also include a volume profile. This is what occurred overnight, and this is what occurred today, and this is what occurred on Friday. So we had follow through from Friday's close, which is right here, which is where the market more or less opened overnight, but then moved higher. A lot of volume occurring above the previous day's high. A good move early in the session, but then it turned around and had a nice sell-off, closing the day back towards where it had finished on Friday. So some pressure on the market as it made the new highs today, although the sell-off was certainly not very robust and did not create lower values. So unlikely we're going to get too much follow-through on that. Although the areas of support we're looking at are still in around the 21 area, which is what more or less what today's low was. So we're looking at this for support, and we're looking in around the 27 area to 30 for resistance. So approximately resistance right here 27 to 30 and support around 21. These are the immediate areas of support and resistance that we're looking at. Here's the individual profiles from today. In other words, the same as here, except this Globex with the shaded background here includes the overnight trade, and this next one here does not include the overnight trade, so it's just the RTH, or regular trading hours. So you can see how it backed off after making new highs there and came back down. Here's our filter here today. Really did a nice job of following the auction. You can see here it was bullish as the market moved up, went into neutral, and then was more or less red the rest of the day. So really worked out nicely from our trading standpoint. We had 3 trades today. We ended up by getting long right in around this area here, and so that had a nice move higher. We got a beautiful fill right here as the market came up and tested into this area, and so this is a great trade. It was held all the way down in through here, and then exited right here, and then another short on the very next bar, and another move. So the first trade moved 2 1/4 in our direction. That second trade there moved 5 3/4 points in our direction, and then the final trade moved 1 3/4 in our direction. The last 2 trades are only 1 tick against us on the entry. The first trade here actually moved against us 1 point before rallying 2 1/4 points in our favor. So a really nice day of trading, and we look forward to more of it the rest of the week. The one thing that we are monitoring quite closely is the light volume that we're experiencing right now in the holiday season. All of August, in particular the last couple of weeks, but at least we had enough volume here today to make really good sense of the market and get a really good feel for it. So ended up with some beautiful trades. So which is really what we try and focus on as much as we can, is what is the market really doing, as opposed to just the individual trade types, although they are obviously very important, because that's how we actually determine what price to enter the market, where to put our stops, how to make our adjustments, stop adjustments, and so forth. But a really nice day in following the market. It was giving us some excellent structural clues as to its condition. So that's really what we're trying to focus on here in our ongoing education at eMiniDayTrader. So we'd love to hear from you. You got any questions or comments? We're at info@eMiniDayTrader.com. And that'll be it for Monday, August the 24th, 2009. Thanks. Bye for now.